Welcome to Motocelio, where we don't tour dream homes, we tour dream rides. I'm your host, and today, instead of a 500 square meter lot, we're featuring 125cc of pure happiness. This property comes with a 1-seat, 2 wheels, and a monthly payment that's way friendlier than a mortgage. As we make our way to the front fascia, you'll immediately notice the aggressive LED lighting. Moving alongside profile, the sculpted body panels creating a commanding road presence. And finally, at the rear, a tail lamp that says, "Please don't hit me." Now let's talk practicality. Ang footboard nito, ang laki. Pwede grocery, backpack, gym bag, or yung milk tea na sabi mo, isa lang, tapos paglabas mo, 5 na pala. We don't judge. Meron ding utility hook. Kung minsan, tayo ang strong, independent person. Pero yung plastic bag, kailangan pa rin ng emotional support. Engine-wise, 125cc, blue core, responsive, fuel efficient, and smooth. Hindi siya yung tipong every week ka na lang nasa gas station. Your wallet will literally say, "Thank you, be." Overall, if you're looking for a scooter that is stylish, practical, fuel efficient, at ready sa everyday hustle, whether it's work, school, negosyo, or random tara coffee moments, the Yamaha Mio Gear S just makes sense.